to another tutorial of the solution journals. Today we will learn how to use the version Pro of CapCut without paid, the Pro version. This is simple. The only thing you need to do is go to CapCut, and when you are have been editing a video with CapCut, and you use a transition of the version Pro. Here you can see in the superior part where set Pro. When you use any of that effects, and the only thing you need to do to you can save that video, like you can use that video without pay the Pro version, is recording your screen like I do that right now. And the only thing you need to do is recording the edition, and save that edition, and you can use that that effects of version Pro. So this is the process. Remember, you can recording you can recording your screen when you editing a video with the Pro version with some effects of the Pro version of CapCut, and you can save that video and use that video. So I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Follow us for more content like this.